What's gonna YouTube? I'm gonna show you how I create these hologram, just which was pointing on the wall, which was on the wall. So let's jump on it. So as you see here, this is the clip which I'm going to use. So first I shoot this clip just showing where I'm going to scroll my screen on the wall, and then after just I record the screenshot in the phone, and then also after just how my clip, how the screen will be scrolled, but I was just using this first video I have been recorded before. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do, just I'm going to grab this screenshot recorded, okay, and I have to find where this subject was starting just scrolling. Okay, yeah, that was the first time. Okay, and then here I'm going to find where the first scroll was. Okay, is this one. So, and also I have to cut it just like here because it's like a measurement. Okay, and then so let me pray and let's see how it is going. Okay, so this is two first, so I have to put it here and let me see how it is going. Okay, maybe this is good. Okay, this is nice too, but I have to like to jump like a few frames. Okay, just like this. Now this is going with this screenshot. Okay, so now all right, so now after getting this measurement, now I can just like scroll, extend my video like this, even this one too. Let me just extend like this. Okay, now you see the video is going with my screenshot. All right, so now the things I'm going to do, first I'm going to crop this screenshot, and I have to go here on these double arrows and then go here on effect. I'm going to search the effect which is called the crop. Okay, so I have to grab this crop and drop it here on this screenshot. So I have to crop to the top like this, yeah, top, and even the bottom. Yeah, this is nice. And then let me make the position where my screen will be. Okay, just like here, and I have to like to extend where this guy will be scrolled. Okay, so let me just put it be aside like this one too. Okay, yeah, this one like this. Okay, let me just extend it here. So, and the things I'm going to do, just I'm going like to the size, depend how the wall is. So, and I'm going to use the effect which is called the corner pin. So this corner pin is gonna help me just to resize how this screenshot will be. So when you press this corner pin settings, you see, yes, you just receive 4 points of this screenshot. Okay, so here there is the point about. So, and after receiving those 4 points, and I'm going just to the size, it's something like this. It depends how your wall and where this screenshot is. Okay, so you have to resize it just by using this corner pin. So, and guys, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of this screen. Okay, because it will be transparent. Okay, so I have to go on this opacity and just reduce the opacity like this. Yes, just transparent. Okay, so just let me see how it is. Yeah, this is nice. And then I have to check where this guy is starting pointing on this wall, and then the screen will be visible. Okay, so something when he done to press the point like this, the screen will be visible. Okay, so now let me just use position and the scale. Let me add a keyframe here, and then just let me just move back a few frames like this, and I have to find where he's and to just press on the wall. Okay, yeah, just here, and I have to scale it up to 0. Okay, so let me just move this screen here. Okay, and I have to scale it like 0, something like this. Okay, and then I have to smooth these keyframe. Yes, you have to select it all, right click, and then go here on this easy out. Okay, so when you pray, you see how the screen will coming. Okay, when it comes slow, you have to reduce the speed, all the space between those two keyframes. Okay, and then I have to press. You see, guys, now I receive. When he scrolled, just this is the sample way just to make these like hologram just on the wall. Okay, and then now he scrolled down something like this. When he done, also, guys, he's gonna press on the wall, and then the screen will be disappeared. Okay, and also I have to add keyframe here by using position and the scale, and also I have to jump like a few frames. Okay, something like this, and then let me just reduce something like this. Okay, so now when he's already done, you press on the wall. Now you see how this screen will be disappeared. Okay, yeah, this is nice. So let me pray and let me see how it is.